Sometimes people draw shapes or letters instead of squares to make an array. Write a number sentence for the first array of dogs. Remember, we count our rows across first, so we go down the left side, kind of like we read. We start on the left side, go 1, 2, 3, 3 by 1, 2. 2 equals how many? Get ready. Yes, 6. Good. Now let's count the array of oranges. Again, we're going to start on what side? Get ready. Yes, the left side. We're going to count the amount of rows. Whoops. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 1, 2, 3. So 6 by 3 arrays equals how many? Think about it. Get ready. 18. Good. Now let's do the array of books. Again, we're counting on the rows across first. 1, 2. So we have 2 by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 by 5, which equals how many? Get ready. Yes, 10. Good job.